he's moving them with his hand.
What do you mean?
Look what he does. He moves them with his hand. Look.
What?
Don't look human, but they're all staring at me right now. I mean, that was
Insane.
nuts, but brilliant, brilliant.
I don't know if I'm like scared or
I've never seen anything like this because usually those robots are like very weird. These ones have rhythm.
Yeah.
It was like watching people dance, and you are amazing. The way you dance is spectacular.
Mel,
Do your metal friends have names?
Yes. His name is Jackie.
Hi, Jackie!
Because he really loves Kung Fu.
Stop it! Stop it!
Okay, well, I found this fascinating. I do find it a little bit freaky, but they all knew the choreography. If anyone was out of sync, it was you, because they were all perfect. I loved it.
Can I ask one question? Can I have Jackie?
no. Right, okay, we're going to vote. Howie?
Yes!
Mel?
Yes!
Sophia?
Super yes!
I think you know what's coming. You'll have 4 yeses.
Look at that! Unbelievable!
If you are interested in learning these techniques and practicing with real humanoid robots like the ones featured in this dancing show, join our Humanoid Robot Reinforcement Learning Bootcamp in Barcelona. In just 3 days, you'll go from zero to running intelligent control policies on real Unitree G1 robots. Check the link below to enroll. Spots are filling up fast.